Hello friends, welcome back. In the second part of our series, we will focus on transforming your observations and creative ideas into stunning abstract photographs. Together, we will explore practical steps to develop your skills, including composition techniques and the use of visual elements to enhance your storytelling. This video will equip you with tools to tell powerful stories through abstraction. So grab your camera and let's bring your vision to life. The first step to mastering abstract photography is to immerse yourself in the work of renowned abstract photographers. This isn't just about admiring their images, it's about studying them closely to understand how they use visual elements to create meaning, evoke emotions, and tell stories in ways that transcend the literal. Look at the works of photographers who have significantly contributed to the field of abstract photography. Iconic figures such as Man Ray, Aaron Siskind, and Mina White pioneered the way for abstract expression in photography, each with their own distinctive style. By analyzing their compositions, you begin to see the methods and techniques they use to translate the intangible ideas into visual form. Pay attention to how they break away from traditional photography rules, experimenting with exposure, lighting, and texture to convey emotion and narrative. Abstract photography is often about discovering hidden beauty in the everyday, finding significance in the mundane, and transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary images. To truly master abstract photography, it's crucial to train your eye to see the world around you in a different light. This requires a shift in perspective, looking beyond what's immediately visible and recognizing the world's potential to tell a story through shapes, texture, and colors that aren't always obvious at first glance. As you observe the world around you, think about the emotions, ideas, or narratives that the different objects or scenes may evoke. An abstract photograph can function as a metaphor for complex themes like love, loss, transformation, or growth. The key is to look beyond the literal, to capture not just what is in front of you, but also the emotion or idea that it represents. Abstract photography is more than just capturing random shapes, colors, or textures. It's about conveying a deeper message, emotion, or idea. To create powerful abstract photographs, it's essential to start with a clear understanding of the theme or concept you want to explore. By identifying these themes beforehand, you give your creative process direction, making your images more intentional and meaningful. Rather than letting the camera capture whatever appears in front of you, you take control and use abstract elements to tell a story or evoke a feeling. Before you pick up your camera, take some time to think about the underlying concept or idea you want to explore through your photography. By identifying the theme early on, you provide yourself with a roadmap that will guide your shooting process. For instance, if you choose to explore the theme of growth, you might seek out natural elements like sprouting plants, textures that suggest renewal, or patterns that evoke the passage of time. If your theme is contrast, you may focus on juxtapositioning harsh textures with delicate ones, or strong, bold colors with subtle, muted shades. Starting with a clear concept allows you to remain focused, ensuring that every composition and visual element serves your overall theme. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal for evoking mood and atmosphere. The way light interacts with your subject can dramatically influence how your image is perceived and the emotion it evokes in the viewer. By understanding how different types of light, whether soft, harsh, cool, or warm, affect your subject, you can craft an environment that resonates emotionally with the viewer. One of the most powerful aspects of abstract photography is its ability to convey deep emotions, ideas, and stories with minimal elements. By embracing simplicity and minimalism, you can create images that invite the viewer to engage with the photograph on a more personal level. For example, a single line, shape, or color can become a focal point of the photograph, telling a complete story without the need for complex context. This approach is powerful because it allows you to communicate your message through abstraction, where the viewer's emotional or intellectual response to the image becomes a part of the narrative. Mastering abstract photography, like any form of creative expression, requires time, dedication, and willingness to experiment. The beauty of abstract photography lies in its freedom, the freedom to break away from conventional rules and explore new ways of seeing the world. The more you practice and experiment, the more you will refine your creative vision and develop your own unique style. So take a leap, trust the process, and don't be afraid to explore the endless possibilities that abstract photography offers. Remember, abstract photography is subjective, and what one viewer interprets from an image might differ from another's interpretation. Embrace the diversity of perspectives and enjoy the journey of translating stories into abstract visual art. If you are ready to dive deeper into the world of abstract photography and unlock the full potential of your creative vision, I invite you to join my online course, The Secret Language of Abstract Photography. Together, we will explore advanced techniques to take your abstract photography to the next level. Thanks for joining me today. Keep shooting, keep creating, and until next time, happy storytelling!